India is one of those places that eventually winds up on every traveler's bucket list. It's deeply traditional yet always unexpected. They may have fantasies of visiting the Taj Mahal in all its splendor in Agra or touring the other royal palaces dotting Rajasthan. Some are drawn to the breathtaking scenery like Darjeeling, Rishikesh, or Goa, as well as the picture-perfect beaches. Here are the 9 best places to visit in India. Number 9. Agra. The Taj Mahal would be the ideal symbol to symbolize all of India. Every year, the monument attracts millions of visitors who go to Agra in anticipation of witnessing the spectacular building come to life at sunrise. However, Agra is the number 1 destination in India for reasons that go beyond its most well-known site. The city in Uttar Pradesh is home to amazing Mughal structures, such as Akbar's mausoleum and Idam-ud-Daula's tomb, which are completely covered in mesmerizing inlaid marble carvings. Additionally, visitors can view the Agra Fort, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Agra is a must-visit destination for those visiting India because it has so many attractions in one location. Number 8. New Delhi. There's plenty for tourists to enjoy in New Delhi, even with its throng and mayhem. India's vibrant capital city is the ideal fusion of history and contemporary design. Some of the most beloved sights in the nation may be seen in Old Delhi, such as the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, and the bustling Chandni Chowk shopping district. However, visitors can discover a plethora of additional sites of spiritual and cultural significance spread around the vast city. The Lotus Temple, India Gate, Humayun's tomb, and Qutub Minar, India's highest tower, are some of the top tourist destinations in New Delhi. Spend your days discovering these captivating locations while replenishing at upscale eateries and chai stands on the street. Number 7. Rajasthan. Meaning land of kings, Rajasthan is teeming with the ruins of centuries-old kings and queens. This western state of India merits a prominent place in your travel itinerary because of its glistening palaces, majestic forts, and exciting festivals. One of the most popular tourist destinations in Rajasthan is Jaipur, which is a component of the Golden Triangle tourist circuit along with Agra and New Delhi. Known as the Paris of India, it is renowned for its flamboyant city palace, distinctive pink buildings, and an abundance of diamond stores. The hilltop Mehrangarh Fort in Jaipur, the Blue City, provides visitors with an equally remarkable experience. Udaipur exudes romance with its avenues lined with flowers and its magnificent city palace complex, home to the royal family till now. Furthermore, Jaisalmer's ancient Haveli's mansions and yellow sandstone buildings give the impression that they are straight out of an Arabian Nights fairy tale. The allure of Rajasthan will enthrall you no matter where you wind up in this arid state. Number 6. Rishikesh. When the Beatles stayed at Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's ashram in the late 1960s, Rishikesh caught the attention of tourists with a spiritual bent. The ashram is now an abandoned location that attracts enthusiasts seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience. Located on the banks of the sacred Ganges River, the town is tucked away in the Himalayan foothills and is a hub for yoga and pilgrimages. Participate in the festivities or simply take in the sights and sounds of the temple bells while walking across Rishikesh's 2 suspension bridges, which are frequently watched over by adamant monkey families. Maintain your distance. With temperatures ranging from 12 to 30 degrees Celsius, October through February is the ideal time of year to visit Rishikesh. Number 5. Varanasi. Arguably the holiest destination in India, Varanasi is one of the oldest continuously inhabited towns in the world. Along the holy Ganges River, visitors bathe and grieve, publicly cremate recently deceased relatives as part of the spiritual festivities. On the other hand, visitors discover their own brand of spirituality by going on boat excursions at daybreak, releasing blessings in the form of flowers that float down the river, and viewing the Hindu chanting rites from the steep ghats, which are filled with fire. The old town streets wind and curve in an infinite maze away from the ocean. You'll be inclined to believe the legend that there's still no precise map of Varanasi after exploring the maze-like city for yourself. Number 4. Amritsar. Amritsar, dubbed the Jewel of Punjab, has gained notoriety for its magnificent golden temple. Glistening in the sun and reflecting into the enormous pool that surrounds it, the Golden Building is a sight to behold and is considered one of the holiest places in the world for Sikhs. In addition, the site has the biggest communal kitchen in the world, serving lentils and curries to 100,000 eaters every day, including interested tourists. Plan to spend an afternoon witnessing the beating retreat ceremony near the Pakistani border when you're in Amritsar. An extravagant ritual that you won't soon forget opens and closes the border gates at sunset, with goose-stepping guards from long-standing adversaries India and Pakistan. To dance in the streets with locals to loud Bollywood music, arrive early. Number 3. Goa. India is home to many large cities and sacred places, but it also boasts amazing beaches in Goa, which is in the south. Its golden sand beaches along the Arabian Sea have enough to offer all kinds of travelers, from luxurious tropical getaways at 5-star resorts to chilling out with the backpacker population in rustic beach huts. Goa's fusion of Portuguese and Indian cultures is one of its distinctive features. Goa still offers plenty of options for a budget vacation, even though it's no longer as inexpensive as it once was. In South Goa, there are affordable family-run lodging options near busy towns and the beach in places like Kavelossim. You can visit Goa in the temperate months of July, August, September, and October, or in the peak months of November, December, January, and February. Number 2. Darjeeling. There isn't much better sightseeing in India than what you can get in Darjeeling. The West Bengal Hill Station is well known for its verdant green tea plantations and breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks, such as Kangchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. This is the ideal location for planning an exciting mountain bike or trekking trip. Riding the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is among the most well-liked activities in Darjeeling. Driven by a historic steam locomotive, the 140-year-old toy train offers enjoyable 2-hour trips from Darjeeling to Gum, which is consistently ranked among the world's most picturesque train excursions. Although April through June is the ideal time of year to visit Darjeeling, some tourists also choose to visit the picturesque town in October and December to experience the bitterly cold winter months. The monsoon finishes in October, and a little frost descends. Number 1. Mumbai. Are you interested in seeing a more modern aspect of India? Visit Mumbai, a vibrant seaside city that is home to Bollywood's best actors as well as opulent businessmen. In this opulent metropolis, visitors can never be far from fine dining establishments or 5-star hotels. Sail down the well-liked Marine Drive will make you feel like royalty as you take in the stunning coastline and opulent Art Deco buildings, even if those activities are out of your price range. A more genuine, local side of Mumbai can also be observed in the busy Thieves Market or at the Churchgate train station, where thousands of handcrafted lunches are prepared daily and delivered to the city's office workers. Don't forget to set aside a day to visit Sanjay Gandhi National Park and take in the 2,000-year-old engravings in Kanheri Cave. Mumbai's tourism sector brings in almost 6 million visitors annually, ranking it as the world's 30th most visited destination. In conclusion, India offers a diverse and enriching experience with its top destinations like Varanasi, Amritsar, Rishikesh, Rajasthan, and New Delhi. Each place provides a unique blend of culture, history, spirituality, and vibrant city life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspirations.